بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Now, here you have 22 years and 42 years. Nothing you have said has answered that.
Oh no, I'll answer it right now.
Okay,
I'll answer it. I'm assuming that's a King James.
It is.
Yeah. Okay. When the King James was written, they had a certain amount of what we call original documents. Okay. Of those original documents, since the time of the King James, which was roughly 1100 AD, we have found much earlier and better documents.
Okay.
So those documents
These are
that they
inaccurate.
got that are inaccurate.
So this Bible that I'm holding in my hand is inaccurate. It's got
No, I didn't
contradictions.
say that. I didn't
You
say
just said that.
I said that there are several mistranslations. Now, I
Is this
didn't.
accurate? Inaccurate.
Is this accurate?
100% accurate.
Okay, 100%. And yet it's a translation.
Yes. Find me an accuracy.
A translation
Find
is
me an accuracy.
100%. A translation is
Find me
100%.
an inaccuracy.
A translation is 100%.
Find me a single contradiction. I'm standing here in front of you. The Quran is in your hand. Find it.
Of course, I can't read Arabic now, and
It's in
I'm
English.
reading just the translation. Just the translation I'm reading. So.
Jehoiachin was 8 years old when he became king, and he reigned in Jerusalem for 3 months. Jehoiachin was 18 years old when he became king, and he ruled in Jerusalem for 3 months. Was he 8 or 18?
It's been probably 15 years since I read this. I'd have
Was
to
he
take
8
a
or
look.
18? Let me show it to you again. 2 Kings, 24, 8. Jehoiachin was 18 years old when he became king and reigned in Jerusalem for 3 months. Same Bible, 2 Chronicles, 36, 9. Jehoiachin was 8 years old when he became king and he reigned in Jerusalem for 3 months. How was he 8 or 18?
Have you ever considered, let's say, what was the reason they killed all of the heirs of the king at that time? They wanted none of the children to be able to ascend
Was
to
he
the
8
king's
or 18?
nation.
There are errors. Numeric errors, contradictions.
Numeric errors. Now I will take it.
That's different. Let
me take a look
Go
at
ahead.
Tell me what difference that is.
A big difference.
What you're doing
Let me
there
explain
is
it.
what you're
You
doing
ask the
there.
question, can I answer?
Yeah.
When you ask a question, you gotta listen.
Yeah.
What difference that makes? That tells me that this Bible, New James, King James Version, New King James, NIV, all of them, have clear, numeric, undeniable mistakes, contradictions. 4,000, 40,000, 8, 18, 22, 42, and because of that corruption, I cannot make this as my criterion for right and wrong. This Quran, uncorrupted, unchanged, from when it was revealed, memorized by thousands, word by word, letter by letter, only one Quran with no contradictions is my criteria for right and wrong.
And you have the original plates, or are they somewhere else?
Sure. The original writing of the Quran from the lifetime of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, are there. In fact, Surah Taha has been carbon dated by the British. You can find it online to the lifetime of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. It matches letter by letter exactly the surah today. The Quran that the companion of the Prophet Uthman, not 40 and 70 years after, from the companion who wrote it down, is still intact. So we have the original Quran with no contradictions. That becomes my criterion for right and wrong.